Welcome back. It's Reggie. I want to give you a little sneak peek behind the curtain at what's in the Health Confidence Club so you know what you're getting into. It's a legit site, all that stuff. So check it out. Right now, we're looking at healthconfidenceclub.com. Hit that login button. You'll have to type in your details. I'm already logged in. And you see the stuff that we have available here, the full play diet course, the 8 education modules, the member library, plant-based transformation if you opt into that. This is where I'm going to post the recordings. There aren't any up yet. And then the private Facebook community that you can join just by going there. So let's take a look in the full plate diet course. And this is really fantastic how it's laid out, or I like it. I hope you like it as well. Um, these are the lessons of the course. And you can click, and it's broken down into different sections. Most of the videos are less than 15 minutes, so you can watch them. Now, the original format for this, I did a whole session once a week, and they were less than an hour. I've broken these clips down so you have different titles and headings and an understanding of what's in each section. You could also download the PDF for the slides. Those will pop right up for you here, and you can look at them. Course overview. This is available wherever you're watching this video, so you can see it. So you can look at what's in each of the 8 sections. It's about 5 hours of course stuff. You don't have to watch it all at once. You don't have to watch it all at all, but it's got tons of valuable information. You can get a full plate diet book. It's completely free here. The fiber guide. Here, let me show you a diet book. It's a little bit bigger, but it's got all 164 pages of the full plate diet. That's all included in your membership here. Fiber guide, so you know um, what foods have how much fiber. You can just look at this, keep a reference. You can download that on your phone as well. An optional participant guide. So this is something you can go along with. If I was teaching a live class, you can just use that participant guide. You don't need that at all because I've set up the presentations so you can just follow along with it. And some more links here that'll show up in every page, and you can work through, click the next lesson. Um, Pretty excited about this. So you'll have all the tools you need to make better nutrition choices. There's some stuff on mindset in here, why you should probably double your produce, how to make your meals over. It's more than just food. This is the one on habits mindset, letting your health support your purpose in your life, starting off right, prepare for weight off, smart grocery shopping for losing weight, restaurants, how to go out to eat, keeping the weight off, sneaky way to get extra calories in there. So you want to be mindful of how you go in there. Healthy eating is better in the gym, but both are best. Little ways you can rev up your weight loss, physical activity. So pretty excited about that. Then you can go back to the dashboard. It's pretty easy to navigate. This is another cool feature here, the member library. I'll be adding stuff to this every month. So the flexible food game plan, really good way to kind of make sure that you're saying yes to you in your food choices on a weekly basis. It's like an anti-diet. I love this thing. This is like, if you would just do this, you would probably lose a lot of weight on its own and have more energy for the things you love too. Burnout assessment test is a cool little thing, or you get a baseline for your stress intensity. I had this for a client. I created it based on some research that I found. All the details are in there. Here, you can just open that up right there. You see how everything's quickly accessible using some nice design materials. And this links to a spreadsheet that you can take, and this will give you a baseline of your stress levels, and you can compare that, month to month, make sure that you're making choices that, reduce your stress. So that can be part of your game plan for action. And workout programs, excuse me, workout programs and schedules. I got some of my favorite workouts in here. These will get you results, period. Like I still do this. I did this earlier today before I recorded this. Um, can I open it? This is in Word, so you can copy it, put it in any other thing. So we have the 3-day schedule with 5 workouts, and then a 4 to 5 times per week schedule. And really, the biggest thing, it doesn't matter like how hard you kill in the gym. The biggest secret to losing weight is eating more fruits and vegetables and getting more active. But this gives you really good support. Body weight workout game plan is a cool thing that you can do with a card deck. to switch up your body weight workouts and make it more enjoyable. So that's what I've got so far. It's just September 2022. I just launched this. As I develop this membership, as we get more feedback, you're going to learn a lot more about this. It's gonna come together even better than it does now. And then here's a 30-day plant-based transformation roadmap. If you opt into this, so this is if you buy several months of membership at once. This is a free bonus. So you get success manual, client worksheets, weekly meal guide and grocery list, Google Doc with text if you want to put in your notes, recipe manual, macros, and then a pre-survey, post-survey. And there's also 30 days of emails available, so you can add your name to that list and get daily reminders for eating healthy. And then each week there is a different meal guide available, which is cool. And you just click it right there. Like, here's what the meal guide looks like. It's got a little meal plan, grocery list, so you know exactly what to buy. Um, that is the quick overview. Also, some links to my coaching page, my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at fitforfreelance. And that's pretty much all there is right now, which is plenty. It's everything you need to get serious results for your health and business goals. So check it out. All right, peace.